send a message on TikTok. This tutorial shows you how to delete sent messages from your TikTok conversations. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. Next, tap on the inbox icon at the bottom of the screen to access your messages. Following that, select the conversation where you want to unsend the message. Now, scroll through the chat to find the specific message you want to remove. Moving forward, long press on the message you want to unsend until a menu appears. Afterwards, you'll see options like copy, report, and unsend. In addition to that, tap on Unsend to delete the message from the conversation. Once you tap it, TikTok will ask you to confirm that you want to unsend this message. Subsequently, tap on Unsend again to confirm the deletion. Moreover, the message will be removed from both your chat and the recipient's chat immediately. Afterwards, keep in mind that the other person may have already seen the message before you unsent it. Then, a notification may appear in the chat saying you unsent a message, depending on TikTok's current settings. Within the conversation, the unsent message will disappear completely for both users. Alternatively, you can also delete entire conversations by long pressing on a chat in your inbox and selecting delete. Once deleted, the entire conversation history will be removed from your device. And that's it. If this unsent message guide helped you manage your TikTok chats better, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok messaging tips, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.